Ano wala pa may kategory nga best influencer? What is up mga ka-street peeps? Kung nakabantay mo, it's a special ganing event, naka-tuck in you'd go. Because today is a very
1 hour later.
very special day because it's SunStar Best of Cebu, Best Influencer, Best of Cebu. Now, let's go in and ask people kung sa ilang secret para mahimong Best of Cebu. Sparkling water from Nature Spring. Wa lang gud basta matagad lang ko sa Nature Spring. Let's go. Wala may mo entertain ako. Mangita tagpa din na to mo entertain. What's the best thing gi-offer karon sa Sky On Demand, Sky Fiber?
Pwede ka makatanog kada ng ginto, inigbuntag sa'yo.
Nasa puso!
Buntag sa'yo.
Buntag sa'yo because wa magkakita gahapon kay work ka.
Work mo, busy ko.
So you can watch kada ng ginto in the morning, in the evening, inikakadlawn.
Nasa puso!
What's the best thing about Kevlo Skin Clinic?
Actually, the best, we won the best in facial, and we're aiming for the next year for other services that we are offering also, like slimming and whitening.
Slimming.
Yes.
Whitening. Wala lang, nilingkod lang ko dire. Basin day, ganahan mo contact ang Kevlo na ko, good. What's the secret para mahimo kong best for her?
Make her laugh and always make sure to tell her she's beautiful.
You're beautiful. What's the best thing about Banana Pancake Trail?
I think obviously best pad thai, pero above that, more than that, it's what really makes it best for us is the story. It's the best story we can ever say. We were travel buddies, backpacking buddies, and
These are the recipes that we've gathered through our travels in Southeast Asia.
I've been a fan of Julie's since like I was very young. Thank you for that. What's the secret of Julie's to be the best bakery chain?
First and foremost, it's more of the quality. Wherever you go, it's the same taste, it's the same. We never recycle our breads. It's freshly baked, and of course, the brand has always been there.
Parani mo, best nakaparaniya.
No matter how hard I try, if it's not the right person, then you will never be enough.
Kasi itong pwede mo order diri bay.
We have a highball, consists with our very own, gold, 12 years old.
Ano wala pa may kategory nga best influencer?
Kay murag gahuwat ko nimo.
Sige, mapalit niya kog followers. Uy, wala gyud kay gipalit. Pero na kay mga nailhan nga influencers nga mapalit og. What can you say about the Best of Cebu karon nga year?
For this year, we have the biggest crowd compared to last year, and we have more booths. Like we have 80 participants this year. So,
80?
and we hope to see more brands joining us next year.
What's the secret to Bel Chris to be the best local tocino and to be the best local bacon?
It's actually homemade. We use the best ingredients.
Dero ka niya i-judge. Kanina ako gusto balik-balik ang taste. Dero ba? Okay ra. Sige, thank you very much. Ano sa ako? Kinsa na si Sols?
Si Sol is akong ma'am. From Solidad yan eh.
So, Sols. Oh, okay. Now, my life question has been answered. What's the secret to becoming the best halo-halo dito sa Cebu?
First is pinaka-kwan siya na sa our eyes and bali homemade na siya na muna eyes.
What's the best thing about Orochina?
Everything's handcrafted. Everything is you can always personalize your jewelry. Everything's Filipino made. It's locally made in Cebu by Cebuanos for Cebuanos.
What can you say about my watch? Palayo lang ako.
I think it's not gold.
How about my necklace?
Oh, I think it's real. Is it? Is it?
No, it's not real.
Oh.
Unsa may secret para mahimo siyang best nga pizza?
Ang among secret sir kay
Kayo po yung merong best house blend at saka best specialty coffee. Okay lang ba sa inyo if you tell me what's the secret for those things?
We considered yung flavors na gusto ng Cebu. What came out is the most balanced blend. So that's what we chose, and then that's what we really offer. And then one of the new releases that we just released today is the Black Pink. So it's actually black coffee with strawberry.
Blackpink.
Black Pink.
Parani mo, ikaw nang the best paraniya.
I hope so, but not. Oh!
Parani mo, ikaw ang best paraniya. Ikaw ang best paraniya.
Yes!
Nga naman?
John, kay, gihatag mo na ko ang tanan.
Well, there you have it mga ka-street peeps. Slowly, nag-level up na gid ko sa akong pagka-best influencer. Basta next year, nanat sila yung category sa best influencer. Pero bitaw, thank you very much SunStar for inviting me here. Magpasalamat sa ko ni Doc Rebecca of Aramo Comfort Dental Clinic for keeping my smile very legit. Also, follow me on my other social media accounts at Pipo de Radal para connected to us always. And also, na ako YouTube channel, link down below. See you on the next episode of Street Peeps and Amping! What's the best thing about Sun Prepaid?
Prepaid sir, diri postpaid mi sir.
Postpaid. O sige, balin ko speakers.